Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we're going to be talking about Bitcoin dip. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is on, join us on Discord. Links will be going on here shortly, right? I think I'm lagging quite a bit because I figured that one out as soon as I was like starting to talk. First thing I noticed is like the bar wasn't moving, so yeah. But thanks guys for letting me know that the mic was off. Sometimes I do go on talking without noticing that was off. Who's in the house? Below, what's up? Good evening. BL, thank you very much for being here. Bitcoin Jake with the rockets, man. Jake, thank you very much. NBN Fireworks says, sad face. Looks like we're not going to hold 42.5. Yeah, maybe, man. Not working, Mike. I got it. Don't speak. We're going to 0. We'll see. Now it is. All right, cool. Yeah, it's all good, man. Thank you guys for being here. Look okay from here. Yeah, it looks okay. Sounds okay. Everything's okay. Notebook here. And guys, by the way, thank you for joining me tonight. No stream yesterday. I had internet problems, but we did go live on Bitcoin Jake's channel. All right, we did go live on Bitcoin Jake's channel, so he did me a solid. He at least let me put voice through there, and then we just showed some images. So thank you very much, Jake, for that. So if you guys haven't done it, make sure you give Jake a like and a sub to his channel. That was freaking awesome. Yeah, there really is here. There are a lot of people coming in tonight. Wow, awesome. Thank you guys for being here. Andrew, what's up? All right, let's get to the screen where the magic happens, right? Let's go look at market cap real quick. Where are we at, man? We're very close to that $2 trillion mark. Look, we came back down, touched it, wicked it here, 2 trillion. Look at that. Lowest point, 1.99 trillion, right? Look at that. Oh, we're slightly breaking that area. It's going to be bad if we break that area, man. It's going to be not pretty for crypto, right? So like I said, I'm hoping that we hold on to bullish divergence here and potentially get action to the upside. Remember, Bitcoin, I've been talking about this move. I'll show it in a second on Bitcoin, right? But we talk about going down a bit more, remember? Anyways, here we're coming up slightly higher. So we're also going to say that we have this divergence here from about the same area. Still low, right? To slightly higher area. So bullish divergence, strong, starting to develop. Sold at 33.85. So again, on these, we should be looking for a potential movement up. We are hitting a hardcore area for support, that $2 trillion mark. Now, if we do break below that area, we're going to have immediate support here at a fifth retracement, which is going to be at $1.95 trillion, right? So from there, we could be looking for some action to the upside, or maybe from here. Get relief, try to get back above 2.14. I'm not super hopeful, though. We still get pain, right? We can still be in pain. So let's go to Bitcoin. I'll explain to you why. All right, Bitcoin on the daily. Not this Bitcoin chart, the other Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin, divergence, bearish, moving down, right? We knew we had it. Yesterday on Bitcoin Jake's channel, I was talking about this divergence that was starting to develop here. So we were starting to develop this strong bullish. We didn't manage to do it by the end of the day, I think. So we were like barely making it. We were looking at it against the RSI, not against the, not here against the MACD, just against the RSI. It was something that we were like hoping it might try to hold. But we rejected that 47,238, right? And I've been talking about rejecting this area consistently and what was going to happen. And if you remember, I've been drawing this thing in the past where we go like this, right? Down, small hump, down, and then pop, right? So even here, look, down, small pop, down, then pop. So down, hump, right? Down, and maybe we can look for a pop, right? So this is what I'm looking at right now. That's why I'm not super worried about it, right? So, again, not the best area to be at. We're struggling to go higher. We knew it was a possibility that we could go down. We're looking at this move and looking for this divergence to start developing. And then we could get another quick cross here and get that positive momentum coming in with strength, right? So, here, again, look at this. Head and shoulders, right? I'm not sure if we're going to go for this large move, though, right? It's too large of a move. Everyone's looking at it. A lot of people are drawing the neckline differently, and that is fine. I think Peter Brand had it like this over here by using the wicks. And that is okay, right? If that is the case, we're still above that neckline. This shoulder is weak, and I've been talking about that for a while. We're still in an area we could be doing that potential to rising valley, although this wick kind of throws it a little bit off. And that double bottom that we were looking at is no longer there, right? We're definitely dropping a little bit more. So the only thing we're looking for is that divergence to pick us up. So let's go to the other chart, the one we have all our supports and resistances. Remember, I told you guys breaking below 45,000 was very likely going to get us to go to the 40Ks, lower 40Ks. Now we've bounced down here at 43,000, 40,996, so almost 43K. And we're struggling, right? We broke the support here at 45K. Look at that quick shot. Broke 43, came all the way down to 43 almost, right? So broke 43,900, so 44 almost. Went all the way down to 42,996. Now, if we do break that area, man, it's going to be looking here at 40,966. Otherwise, I mean, I'm really, really hoping that we hold on to this divergence here, right? Let me bring this back into view. Here we go. This divergence here, right? This divergence must hold. Otherwise, man, is it going to be painful. Right, so hoping this holds. Sold at 32.16. A head and shoulders. No, Andrew. An inverse head and shoulders. Right? It's an upside pattern. A head and shoulders is a downwards pattern. So we should be looking for extra downside. And there's some, all right, something else going on here. Let me 1 second though. Right. So I'm missing some stuff in the chat. I'll catch up with you in a second, guys. So that's Bitcoin on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. It ain't looking pretty, man. We're looking at this divergence here, hidden bullish. We got a pop to a 20, rejection, another pop to a 20, rejection again. That happened today at 6 in the morning, and after that rejection, it was just downhill from there. We were too weak to get above the 20, and we know that when we reject the 20, we look for more action to downside. It's coming down lower, more negative momentum. Lower on the other side, oversold at 26.47. It's nothing bullish. It's just that we're oversold. So what can happen here? We are very, very low in value. We could still drop a little bit more, right? We're in the high 20s, 26. So we could even go to the 19s and even the 9s, or the 10s, but the lower 10s, right? So what I believe could happen here is we could drop today a bit, right? Drop today a bit. Tomorrow we get a little bit of relief, right? Maybe for like 2 or 3 days, maybe get some kind of reaction rally coming in, and then drop again. And on that note, we'll be creating probably some strong bullish divergence here on the 4 hour, and we could be looking for a potential rally to come in. Other than that, there's really not a lot going on here. Again, rejecting these areas, key areas of resistance that we failed to get above. 1 hour chart again. Look at this, right? Coming down lower, more negative momentum, oversold. And like I was telling you on the 4 hour, and without looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour, because I hadn't. This is what I was telling you in the 4 hour that could happen, right? Look, we're trying to drop lower still. Small recovery. We're starting to create that strong bullish divergence, and that is what could lead me to believe that even though without looking at the 4 hour or the 1 hour, we were looking for some probably pop to happen here in the next couple hours, then get that other drop and get this similar bullish divergence to what we have here on the 1 hour, right? So it's similar to this, a tiny one happening here on the 4 hour, and with that, look for action to the upside, right? So 1 hour chart Bitcoin, nothing bullish. 4 hour, nothing bullish. Daily, something bullish. We'll see. Right, so let's keep rolling, man. Head and shoulders on the daily. Yeah, on Bitcoin, yeah, we already talked about that. I showed it here, right? But I'm not sure if it's going to play as a head and shoulders, though. Right, everyone and their moms is talking about this head and shoulder. So again, if we go with the wicks, we still have not broken, right? If we go with the bodies of the candles, we're getting the break. But again, everyone charts it differently. So if we go with the bodies, it would look as though we're getting a break and we're getting rejection of this area. Remember, we've been flirting with it and not really taking off. And this could really be telling us that we're looking for action to downside. If we do go for a measure move of the head to the neckline, man, we're looking at the 23,000s. I'm hoping that's not going to be the case. Remember, we have strong bearish divergence on the weekly. Right, we have strong bearish divergence on the weekly, not this one here. Strong bearish divergence on the weekly and strong bearish divergence on the monthly. Right? Those could be reasons why we keep going down, right? So that's it for Bitcoin. Let's get this back on the daily. All right. Let's go check out Ethereum, man. Again, a lot of pain in the market, right? A lot of people freaked out because we're going down a little bit. On the daily, look, we had the bullish divergence. We tried to rally. Yesterday, we were trying to break above this area here, or 2 days ago. And then yesterday, we were struggling. I remember on Jake's stream, or when I was on his stream yesterday, we were slightly on the green. But again, look at this, right? Boom. Dropping with Bitcoin and company, dropping 6%. Again, hurting a little bit more than Bitcoin, I would say. And here we're starting to create this divergence, right? This bearish, bullish divergence. And again, it's from the previous island to new island, even here, right? This is 26.97, 25, so still have it here in the short term. But again, if this starts to make a little bit more negative momentum, we'll still be anchoring from back here. We'll just be fixing the lines. Sold at 35.22. So again, bullish divergence strong, potential for moving to the upside. And I don't like where Ethereum's at, man, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. It's starting to get some pain. And we had the bearish divergence on the 4-hour, broke down, try to pop a little bit here. And when I was on Jake's channel, I drew this yesterday for Ethereum on not on the live, but I put them on the voice chat. I put the images, and I put an Ethereum image. Right, here we go. So with the line here and say, yo, bearish divergence is strong, right? And yeah, bearish divergence strong. Action on the downside. We're trying to hold on to a 20. We failed. And look at that nasty drop we got. Came to support, try to hold, drop to support, try to hold. Now dropping below 3,539. Not good. Not good. Lower low, more negative momentum, right? What is this here? 31.11, 31.59. More negative momentum. Slightly less than the RSI, so we're starting to create some strong bullish divergence against the RSI, right? And that's the only good thing that's going on right now, I think, for Ethereum. It has this bullish divergence on the 4-hour and on the daily that could try to get it to rally, right? So again, not all is lost, right? Not all is lost. Let's go to that 1-hour chart. First off, things I forgot to anchor. Look at that. This must have been from the 4-hour or the daily or somewhere else. I removed it from a different time scale. That is not this one. Why is this one not going back there, man? Here we go. All right. So on the 1-hour, what do we have for Ethereum? Dropping lower, more negative momentum, and lower still. Nothing here that is bullish. Even on this recovery where Bitcoin was creating that strong bullish, we don't have it here, right? Or we could say we kind of have it against the short-term move. I really want to see at least a negative red building so we can anchor it properly. But for now, this will suffice. And we're going to say that we're starting to develop this divergence, right? It's not fully settled yet because we don't have a strong red to anchor to, right? So we're starting to create this divergence, potential for action to the upside. Again, we're oversold at 16.13. We did take a hurting on Ethereum. It kind of sucks. Ethereum was holding on so good against Bitcoin. It just seems that its time was due. And the only thing I keep on looking here on Ethereum on the macro is this large pattern, right? This large pattern that we're starting to break the downside still and not liking, because this was a fallen wedge that we should have been looking for a break to the upside potentially, right? So not really liking where Ethereum's at. And again, yeah. Let me go through the chat real quick and see what it is that we must look at. So right on. Before I think that's how big could you get some money, so I can take out some leverage. 1.2 is a strong support for ADA. Was there an ADA request? Elon says, you Steam Jake? Yeah, stream, Jake stream. Right, so all right, cool. Let me catch up here with the chat. Right, somewhere. I speak on Jake's channel. That's awesome. You guys go give him a like, go give him a sub. All right. Rip the corn? Maybe, man. Maybe. We'll still have to wait and see if we're gonna manage to try to reverse that with the way pattern was looking in the past, right? That's what I'm looking for Bitcoin. Right. So, yeah. Downside targets, the divergence doesn't hold. All right, cool. Yeah, we can talk about those, Kato. Just give me one quick second. Let me go back to Bitcoin. And let me get rid of the chat here. Kato Ina said, downside targets if the pattern doesn't hold. All right. 42,996, which is almost where we're at right now. 40,997, which I would be hoping it holds. 40,000 again, psychological, close to 40K. 39,291, 37,393, 36,000 might not be a strong one, but 35,733 is going to be another one that we could be looking at, right? So again, those are targets to the downside. Yeah. All right. Huge rallies coming through these flash crashes. I wouldn't consider this a flash crash. It was 5%. It's done worse before. Like, see, here it was a 6% drop, right? A couple days ago. Right now we're just getting at 5. So yeah. At least if the Ethereum price is down, it's cheaper. Yeah. Bitcoin futures ETF. Can't remember the ticker. If you give me a ticker, man. I think the short term will hold. Do I think it's gonna hold here at 42.5? Oh, bro, it's gonna be a good. It's gonna be a good area. I think the next area for support is gonna be 40,997. If we do break 40,996. Spaghetti. All right, cool. I think there was mentions of coins. So I'm gonna go check out ADA real quick. HNT's also hurting a bit. It was doing good, man. It was doing good, right? So it's up to 45 yesterday. I think 44 is where I saw it, and right now I'm getting some pain with Bitcoin. It was doing really, really good. It sucks though. We still have this divergence, bearish, strong that came into play here on HNT, right? Again, sucks that some of the coins are hurting, but that is the market. ADA, let's go. ADA again, $1.22. Can check out the open interest because I've heard it's about not getting in. Yeah, send it to me in the Discord, man. Send me a link that you need me to look at, and I'll check it out. Right, coming down lower, bearish, moving down, low to high. Right, slightly higher, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. Sold with 39.04, 38.99. Again, it's flirting with that line, but again, we're still trying to hold on support here at that at this favorite retracement at $1.21. Breaking that area again could be coming down here at $1.04, which is not going to be pretty. On the 4-hour, lower, right here we have an island break. Kind of sucks. Cannot anchor or divergence, so we would like to anchor. Oversold at 28.41. Again, perceived market value, it's lower than where it should be. So again, we could be looking for this to come back up a little bit, just get back to a neutral zone before we either drop again or pump. Again, I would like to see that small drop that we sometimes get here, where we try to pump and then drop a little bit more and create that strong bullish divergence, right? And try to rally with that. That's going to be beneficial. And I think that's something I'm hoping for a couple projects to do. Coming on lower, more negative momentum, lower still. Look, low, negative, less negative, and low to high on the other side. Strong bullish divergence is not the only project that has it. So we could be looking for some kind of reaction rally to come into play, hopefully, and try to get us to pump a little bit, right? So the market's going to be scared. Not sure what China's going to do. China already came online, and they kind of help stabilize, I would say, right? Because this was China coming live here 6 p.m. 7. But this was all US, bro. It was a dumping on the market. That's it for ADA. Crypto gaming, did you send me the link to what you need me to look at? Not sure if I'm missing Soul. Adrian Simic said Soul. We do Soul. Danny Ontario Painting, what's up, dude? All right, Soul at let's see, $3.23. Not bad, dropping a bit. All right, so we're coupled with handle prediction, right? Remember? So we got a drop, came back to support at that 786. Very nice move. All the way down to that 618. So if we inverse this phase, we're basically getting a hit of that 382 by the time we get here. But we're trying to hold, and again, we might start to develop, right, the cup, and the cup has to stay just above this area here, right? $2.76. So long as we stay above that area, we're gonna start making this handle, and this is looking like a pretty good setup, actually. Be mindful of Phantasma, right? Soul could be looking for this cup formation to come in here, or this handle formation, and look for that pop, right? Our lips, I'm gonna consider this one to be the valid lip, this old one here. Again, here we had the bearish divergence, if you remember. We were looking for it and see where it was going to get us. And then again, we still held on to that bearish divergence. So we're getting that movement down. So it's not looking bad. It's looking like a pretty solid setup right now. I would just have to wait for the confirmation that the handle's being ready. But the way the market is feeling right now, with Bitcoin dropping and it being a bit bearish, I would have to wait for at least this to come bounce here. And then maybe getting somewhere around here and try to catch this small move here on the upside. And then once we break this higher lip, right, be looking to for the measure move maybe, and then look for that potential movement back down on a retrace, right? But again, if the market keeps on dropping and Bitcoin keeps on dropping, we're probably going to see this project hurt. Might get our drop to where we need to, but we'll see how Bitcoin keeps on dropping, right? It's definitely going to affect this. Jen Will, thank you very much for being here. So that's it for Bitcoin, or sorry, for Sol. Let's go back to the corn real quick. 43,196. Man, Bitcoin, you gotta hold. You gotta hold. Hold it. Brace for it, right? Brace for it. It's not pretty. Again, we could be going for a couple of the moves, right? And I already discussed them, so I'll discuss them again real quick. Again, if it's a head and shoulders, we still have the shoulder in play. Which could break us down. If it's a rising valley, we're very, very close to negating it, right? It's looking a lot better here. It's not looking so hot here for a 3 rising valley. So I'll almost be discarding the 3 rising valley as an option right now. I'm not gonna, just in case we do start to get a pop. But again, I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna get this move that I've been talking about, and I just gotta get a chart that is not overloaded. I think this one's a little bit cleaner. And what I'm gonna do is the same drawing that I've been doing, right? Drop, pop, drop, and then pop, right? So drop, pop, drop, and then drop a bit, and then pop, right? So again, same here. Drop, pop, oh snap, didn't work here. Drop, pop, and drop, and then we might be looking for that pop, right? So I'm hoping is one of these things that we're seeing here as a fractal coming into play, right? So if that is the case, Bitcoin could be okay. And particularly if we look at this as one curve, two curves, third curve. Remember, every time we're doing this, we're doing these small curves, creating bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergence, bearish divergence, bearish divergence, hidden bearish, breaking down. Bearish divergence, bearish divergence, bearish divergence, hidden bearish, breaking down. Then here we have bearish divergence, and we have bearish divergence, and we're breaking down. We're not creating that hidden bearish, but in all scenarios, we're getting similar moves. What do I mean by that? Look. Rally, drop, rally, drop, rally, drop, rally, failed rally, drop, right? So rally, drop, rally, drop, rally, drop, rally, drop, failed rally, drop, right? So micro. Here we go, something similar. Look, rally, stagnation for a day, rally, drop, stagnation for a day, rally, stagnation, rally, drop, rally, and then here we're getting our failed rally here, right? So not that far down, sorry. So we could say 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we're getting our failed rally here on the short move here, right? And then we're getting our movement down, right? So again, it's looking a little bit similar, right? It's not looking exactly 100%, but it's similar enough to where we could say that, you know, is it, if this here, sorry, not that there, if this here plays like this here and plays like this here, we should be looking for some kind of pop to happen, right? Again, that's the only thing that we can have on that says, wow, we're going to hold on something bullish. Otherwise, man, we're looking for some pain. We're looking for action to the downside. We're looking for a lot of pain to the 20,000s if that head and shoulders move comes into play. So I've been talking about this for a while now, right? Since the head and shoulders started developing, since the third rising valley, since the potential double bottom, that is no longer a potential double bottom, right? We just negated that. So whenever we're looking at this as a potential double bottom forming here, right? Like 1 and 2, it's no longer there. That is no longer there. So again, looking for potential rally to come into play. Come save us from the pain, right? The pain we're gonna get if this just keeps on dropping. It's not gonna be pretty. Right. So let's get back to crypto. Let's see what else. Is there anything that is actually doing the opposite? I mean, things against Bitcoin could be doing a little bit better, but I think the market in general feels pretty gloomy. Bitcoin on the 24-hour, right? Let's go here. All right. Everything that is moving up by a bit. But look, only on the top 100, only 1, 2, 3 projects are in the green. Everything else, like 90+% of the projects, 97 now, are on the red. And this one's on the verge, Paxos, right? It's on the verge of going negative, but it's a stable coin, so it shouldn't be. And just like this one, right? It's a stable coin, shouldn't be. Even Tether's back at 0. So again, very, very close to where we are looking at, the whole market being red. Let's go to the top 200 and see if there's anything here that's actually saving itself. 24 hours. Ooh, what? UMA's pumping 10%. What the hell is it, UMA? All right, Moon River is pumping 4. And then from then on, again, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 projects out of 100 on the top 200. We're looking at 8 out of 200. We're still looking at 94% of the market, right? 96% of the market in the top 200 being negative. 96% of the top 200 are negative. That sucks, bro. Yeah, like I said, pairs, right? Pairs. Dominance in pairs. It sucks. It's not a pretty day. It wasn't a pretty day yesterday. Hope today turns a little bit better with the divergence. Let's hope we can hold on to it. Let's hope the sentiment shifts. Otherwise, we're looking for more pain. Erdax, what's up? Evening, bro. We dipping? Probably. Junk boy never so low again. Anyone buy Casta? No. Have to wait for the page to respond. Yeah, you wonder how MM token is doing? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at it in a long time. I don't even think I have it open here. Y'all remember what exchange that was on? Was it on like GravyX or Hotbit or BitTrue or DexTools or DexGuru? I think it was DexTools, right? Let's check it here. Can we find MM here? Yeah, $1 million. Against why? Let's look at it against a dollar pair. I'm not sure which one we've looked at it before, but I know we've looked at it before. If this one comes out with all the things we've drawn before, no, that's not it. This is a 1 hour chart. Let me go back here. I think we've looked at this before. So yeah, here $1 million, right? I'm going back. Just want to get the same contract open, and I guess this contract might be expired now. There it is. There it is, coming in. All right, let's go on the daily. Oh, look at that. We're kind of like almost retracing to 100%. We're at where it was before it started to pump. Y'all remember when the 1 million people were coming in here and asking me to buy when it was here? And I was like, no, it's too high. I'm glad I didn't listen to them. Aren't you glad you didn't listen to them? This is in a lot of pain. They even came back here when it was around like 120 or like somewhere around here, the 70s or 60s. And they're like, oh, I should buy into this, right? I'm like, no, it's too high still. And they were like coming in here, you should buy into the project. Why are you buying? You should buy so I can sell on you. And I was like, no, I'm good, man. And I don't want to be a rock pool or anything. And then they just kept on piling. And then, now the coin is like hurting. Yeah, this kind of sucks, bro. Right. So. Do you believe in DCA and hodling as opposed to trading or swing trading? You asking me? I believe in both. I believe that you should have a hodl bag and you should have a trade bag, and then you could always add, whatever profits you get from trading into your hodl bag, and never dip into your hodl bag to buy back what you've lost on trading. So you should always be looking to be profitable. That's what I would be doing, and that's why I've done it for a couple of projects. So yeah, I trade some also. Jake says, oh, nice. I feel a little better now. All right, cool. Yeah, I already checked Salt. Again, really hoping this will hold, but it's looking like as though we're gonna break right now. We're breaking slightly. Bitcoin, get your head out of the gutter and start pumping. I command thee. Now again, drop from this area and not holding support at 40,996 gets us to drop to 40,997, right? It's not gonna be pretty. I hope it's not one of those days. Because if we go there, man, we just opened here. That's close enough. And coming down here, and then we're dropping another 5%. That wouldn't be weird. It wouldn't be weird if we just dropped another 5%, right? We've seen drops like that before. Look, here we dropped a good percentage points here, 4, and then here we dropped on the next day like 8%, right? So we go for another drop, man. We go for another drop. Is it gonna be the third drop? All right, because if we look at steps, or we look at the theory of threes that sometimes we get to play out here in crypto. We have our first drop, right? Second drop, and third drop, right? So we can still go all the way down here before we look for some kind of relief or something. It's not looking pretty though. I'll tell you that. Yeah, let's go check out mana. Mana. I need a mana. Man at 2.82 on the daily. Oh no, look at this, it's dropping. Yeah, bring below at 786. Just trying to create some bullish divergence. That's pretty good. So man at bullish divergence strong. Potential for action to upside. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. Sold at 36.32. Again, with that possibility for a rally, will it hold? That's a question. Now here we go on the 4 hour. Look at this coming down lower. Bullish divergence strong. I don't think I see any breaks here. Yeah, no breaks, no major breaks. So why was I looking for breaks? I want to see if it's one island of negative momentum that we happen to be anchoring to, right? And it looks as though it is. Looks as though it is. So we're gonna go with it. There we go. Oh, bullish divergence strong. Potential for a rally. Now we're oversold with bullish divergence strong at 20.90. And again with that, looking for some pump to come in. Where to, by the way? The 20 moving average, right? At $3.19. Right now, sitting at $2.82. 1 hour chart. Oh my goodness. Look at this. What's happening with the rest of crypto? Bullish divergence strong on the short term. Oh my goodness. The same thing we have. Same thing we have in the other projects. Bullish divergence strong. Right. So again, looking for kind of relief to happen right now in the market. That'll be pretty cool. Can you check out Luna? And for the money, yeah, we can check out Luna. Can you check out Cheese? Yeah. Let's check out Luna. Yeah, where Luna at? $75.87. On the daily. Oh no, we're taking a drop. We're to a previous 100% high that we had here. When we're trying to run all the way up to that 236, we failed. Again, try to reclaim here on the short-term fibs. Got to the 618, and then we just rejected, broke that on 618. Now we're facing the previous 100% high as support. Right, we come down. That's at $75.43. Lowest point we came to was $75.41. So we can say we hit it 100%, and we're trying to hold there. Yeah. Are we doing anything here that is bullish? Yes, hidden bullish. I'll take one of those hidden bullish divergences you got there, Trebek. I'll take hidden bullish divergence, Trebek. I think we only have it here against the MACD, not against the RSI. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, hidden divergence against us to try to pop to that 20, or at least head to yeah, that'll be a target right now. Here, $86. I'm not sure if we're actually going to go that high, but at least we're going to try to hold sideways. But that's what we should be aiming to do. Here again, a strong bullish on the 4 hour. A lot of crypto looking similar, right? A lot of crypto looking the same. No surprises. Oversold at 23.89. Again, bullish divergence, strong potential for action to upside. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, oh, look at this, we're dropping. And the short-term move, just like everyone else in the market. Again, the market is moving in unison. Ain't it great? Everyone's synced. Everyone's unsynced. Here we go. All right, that's it for Luna. Again, if we do pop, 20 moving average, $81.69. If we drop below this area here, man, next area target would be down here at $70.46. Cheese wheeze. All right. Chili's. Here we go. 27 cents. Oh my goodness. What's happening with this project? I can't believe it. We're dropping below at 236. Oh no. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. Nothing here that was bearish. So we're just moving sideways. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh my God. On the 4 hour, we're coming down lower. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower. Still nothing here that is bullish. Well, from way back here, hit strong bullish. And that is just going to be against the R side. And it's like a prayer. Right? We're hoping that this triggers because we're going way back. But it's there. It's there. It's legit. I mean, looking like the rest of the market. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, same stuff here. Look at this. Boom, boom. Right. Again, a lot of similarities across the market. I mean, it looks like what we did for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's working for the rest. It's just everything's looking the same. It's like a carbon copy of each other, right? One project did it, the other are following suit, man. Here we go. Some kind of bullish divergence, medium or strong. So again, potential reaction to the upside. Yeah. Yeah, just don't go in all in. Have levels to step into the trade, right? And have an exit strategy. Andrew, sorry, lurking, Elon lurking. FTM. FTM, we're gonna call it something else. Guys, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on Discord. The links have gone out. They're pinned on top of the chat. If you enjoy the content, join us. All right, we had bullish divergence. Oh my goodness, we're pumping. We also have this here chart. Which one's the one we look at? This one here. All right, bullish divergence pump, bearish divergence. Oh, look at that at the 3618 and rejection. Remember we were looking at this the other day. I said, look, if this divergence holds, we're getting very close to resistance, and we're dropping. $2.61, 66 cents. Bought at 63.13. Let's go to the 4 hour. Jake does 100% leverage sometimes when he's feeling like he wants to live on the edge. Like, I'm 100% leverage trade that. I don't think he does anymore. I'm not sure. At least he hasn't told me he's done 100 times leverage more. Anyways, bearish divergence strong. Hidden bullish trying to come into play. I mean, had the possibility for some kind of rally to come in. Jake, are you still doing 100x leverages or not anymore? I think you've done a couple, but I think you kind of went and left your hidden ways, and now you're trading on a better leverage, I guess. I'm not sure. Here, what do we have? Look, we're coming up higher. Oh my goodness, bearish divergence strong. Why is this here? Why is it breaking us down? Oh no. Bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. Strong bullish, and strong price. We had strong bearish, breaking down on that. Try to rally on some kind of divergence. We could say even not even hidden. So we tried to rally, and now we dropped on rejection near the 20. Failed to get to a 20. Whatever you want to see this as. And now we're starting to create that strong bullish divergence that should be getting us to try to pump to $2.93. You could liquidate on this last drop. Oh, it sucks, bro. Back to the corn again, losing the area that we wanted to hold on to. Oh no. I don't like the way the Bitcoin is a feeling. All right, bullish, still trying to hold on to that. No longer against the RSI. Well, barely there against the RSI, I think. 21.42, 21.13. We no longer have it against the RSI. 4 hour. Oh no, we're dropping still. And then the daily is like, I'm too weak to hold. Next target in this chart, 38,199. But in the other charts, we have better targets. Again, next target here is going to be at 40,997. If we still drop from this level, which we're not that far from the area we need to get above, right? But again, it's not feeling the strongest. And that feeling of uneasiness is certainly permeating to the other market, to the coins. Ethereum is going down 2.51%, right? Let me see if I can get this here to show. All right. As you can tell, the only thing that's safe in green is whatever is like dollar pair. So USDC, USDT, Binance, dollar. And we have Leo, which happens to be a small project and die. All right. And maybe something here I can tell. But everything else, bros, this last 24 hours, I think, of trading. So Bitcoin down 7%, Ethereum 9%. All right. I'm probably missing data here. I'll make this larger so we can all see it and be like, oh, fast. This magnificent data. Yeah. Look at the red. Everyone, look at the red. It's so red. It kind of sucks. Hex down 17%. Oh no, the Hexicans. Let's go check out Hex. I haven't gotten any of my Hex people in the house lately. Hex people in the his hills. Yeah, I remember they all come in all the time being like, yo, do Hex. I'm like, yeah, why not? You can check out Hex. Who wants to heavy into Hex? Craig. They converted Craig right into Hex. Hex at 20. It says green 2%, but look at the drop. 17%. Oh no, it hurts. All right, on the daily, back below the line. Remember, we had the divergence, and they were like, "Oh, that's good, that's good." Where are we going to come down to? Well, this support, then if not this support, then if not this support. All right, we're going down, stepping down again on the way down. All right, hidden bullish though. Hidden bullish coming into play. It's not all lost for Hex. At least trying to do something to hold on to whatever momentum it can get. You're like, oh man, I want to hold on to this divergence. Are we going to pump? We are neutral, 42.88. Let's go to the 4 hour. Ooh, looky here. Bullish divergence strong. Let's get this going here, man. Let's get this going here. And then here we could say we have some kind of divergence going on here. There we go. Strong bullish. Sold at 34.73 gains. Strong bullish divergence. Potential for a rally. We should be aiming for 23 cents. 23.27. 1 hour chart. Right. Lower. More negative. And then here we're creating bullish divergence strong on the short term like everyone else. I mean, it's the only thing we can go on. It's like, oh, bullish divergence strong here in the short term, man. We'll see if we can get a pump. Sold at 31.89 after being oversold at 14.40. Oh my goodness, that sucks. The corn trying to pump a bit. Oh yeah, but still in the red though. Right? Don't get me wrong. We're starting to go in the green, but it wants to get above. Let's get above 42,996. Oh no. Bitcoin going up at the moment. Yeah, it's opening the hour, man. Again, it's below resistance now. We got to get above 40,996. If we manage to hold on to that divergence, do we have that divergence here? Yeah, we hold on to it against the MACD, not against the other side, though, right? How do we know? We zoom in and look at this. We're going to be down lower. Yeah, divergence strong, bullish, potential fraction upside. I mean, guys, the market's not looking good. It's not feeling good. I've been saying it for the last couple days. We're facing a lot of indecision. We don't know if we're going to pump, we're going to drop. Right now, it looks as though we're going to go for the drop. We went for the drop. But again, we're not getting the best read on getting above resistances, right? We're failing consistently to get above 47,338. Even when we got above it briefly, we're still struggling before, right? So it wasn't the cleanest breakaway, right? Look at this. Struggle here, and sheet above, struggle, now drop. And again, we had that hidden divergence come into play, and we're trying to go for this bullish that is strong. It's not the first time we have strong bullish. That's not the second time we have strong bullish, but it's the third time we're developing strong bullish. Now, keep into consideration that this is the first time we're having the strong bullish divergence by going from the previous island to the new island on daily. So again, this is one island of negative momentum. How do we know? Well, this is one island of negative momentum. No breaks like this of positive momentum. So negative momentum, one island. And then we're going from one island to the new island that is building. And we're saying, yo, man, what's up, island people? Come join us. And then, coming here to the island, and we're waiting to see if it's gonna pump. And yeah, we're doing okay. Again, we're kind of sucking at 40,778. But again, you know, it's the market. We've been talking about this for a while, right? And I said to you guys a couple days ago, right? I said to you guys, do you remember? I said, you guys, and then I said, look at this. And I pointed this out a couple times. I'm gonna point them out again today, right now. I've done it already a couple times. So again, pop, drop, and then pop, right? So drop, pop, drop, and then pop, right? So pop, 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 and then maybe. I mean, this is what we're gonna go for, right? This is the question. Is this a move? All right. So about you should have an idea because you made that. Right. Andrew, what's up, dude? Anyways, remember this, right? Again, I hope this is what we go for. I'm not sure that's what we're gonna do, right? It just looks like it from the past. Even here, right? Look, drop, weird drop with a higher drop than this move. So again, getting that downwards move, that is this part here. That's pop, pop here, and then this drop here is like this drop here. Not looking 100%, but it's close enough, right? Can you look at Bitcoin shorts chart? Yeah. Is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin longs, and then these Bitcoin shorts. All right, see the difference? Longs and shorts. I'm kidding. And we're gonna go look at the Bitcoin short chart. Shorts. BTC short. BTC. Which was the short chart? Here we go. Bitcoin shorts volume. No, it's volume. I rarely look at the short chart. Which one's the shorts? Is it Bitcoin down? See, that's why I like to get the tickers. BTC USD shorts. I think that's the ticker. BTC USD shorts. Yeah, here we go. I can do Elon one in a second, man. Bitcoin shorts. Ah, dude, that reminds me of our favorite perma bear. Where is the high card Jesus when you need him? I haven't seen high card Jesus in a long time. Y'all remember high card Jesus? He used to come in here and be like, look at Bitcoin down. Look at Bitcoin up. And then high card Jesus disappeared. Low to high, -1, -1. All right, so we're looking at some hidden bullish here. Even to here, or at least to here first. And look at this. Oh my goodness. It is like the other chart, but inverse. And here we have this drop here. And then we have this move here. And high to low, positive, high to low. There's nothing bearish, right? Last time we have strong bullish, so it looks as though the short are in control. Games, time to buy it. Not yet. Not looking really hot right now. You can do whatever you want. Again, not financial advice. If we invert this chart, I think it's all die. Yeah, there we go. See how we created the bearish divergence that broke us down, like in the other chart. You know, Mr. Bitcoin man. Why is it not inverting again? There we go. Not looking bad, right? Again, trying to go for a rally. I mean, yeah, it's Bitcoin shorts. Bitcoin down looks so good right now. Yeah. People who are short in the market are probably doing really good right now, actually. All right, cool. Anderson, can you do Elon 1? Yep, you can do Elon 1. Elon 1. Elon 1 pumping 25%. Oh my goodness, it's going insane. We do have the bullish divergence right here. Look at this. I kept them dropping. Oh my goodness, we're still holding on to this bullish divergence. Oh great, going for the rally. Okay, Aiming for the 20 moving average. That's a target. Again, it all reads 0, and then above there, we're looking for that 786. Andrew, I know you chart this somewhere else. Just overpose it, whatever. You know, just make sure you have your loading high, and then aim for that 786, maybe a 20 moving average as a potential rally on the 20 moving average. Here we're looking for some kind of bullish divergence. It's just been failing miserably. Why has it been failing miserably? Probably because it doesn't have a lot of volume. Again, here we're flatlining, low, lower, low, more negative, and again, flatline on the RSI, so we're not really even giving you a proper read on this here coin. Why is it pumping, dude? It's going insane. Low, lower, low, dude. Here, let's zoom in here. Again, negative, more negative, even here, negative, more negative, negative, more negative momentum. Coming down lower, it's good. Nothing bullish, bro. Nothing bullish for this. I'm not sure what this is doing, Andrew. It's going crazy. Just from daily, though. Just from daily, right? That bullish divergence. That's the only thing we could say we could set play. And why it's rallying. Other than that, bro, is it hurting? How about SHIB? We haven't looked at SHIB in a while, man. Oh, the SHIB. 0.40 and then 2.9. Oh, no, it's still dropping after rejecting the 618. It's going to be aiming for down here at the 786. But again, we're starting to create that bullish divergence strong. Again, all this, one island. One massive island of negative momentum. So we're coming down here. Oh, no, good, sir. Look at that. And I'm just going to anchor from here to here. It's all as one move. Bearish divergence. Sorry, not bearish. Bullish divergence. Strong potential fraction to the upside. We are here sold at 35.52. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Low, lower, negative. Last negative, I think. Are we? Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore this here tiny break. I'm gonna count that it's just 1 bar, and I think it's not gonna affect the analysis on the overall. Bullish divergence strong potential fraction to the upside. Not against the RSI. Oversold at 22.01. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 Andrew the 1 hour dropping lower, and negative, less negative. On the 1 Andrew, right? We have 2 Andrews in the house right now. Again, bullish divergence strong to some extent. Again, reminiscent of the rest of crypto. This looks the same. Everything looks the same. Yar, who cloned the market? Wow, 37 people watching. Y'all must be wondering why the market dying. Bitcoin ain't dying. It's taking a break. It's falling asleep. Someone poke him with a stick. Oh no, we're trying to pump again. Yay. What's happening here? Let's go check out the chat. What's happening with the chat? Mr. Flags, it's much love, brother. Glad to see a few people here. All right, thanks, man. Much appreciated. Thank you for being here, Mr. Flags. Trust me, it's the whales. 44 people watching, really? Wow, that's a lot. I haven't had that many people watching in a long time. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, probably people scud because the market's moving. Oh my goodness, what are we gonna do? Where are we gonna go? Again, guys, remember, if you enjoy the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. And hit the sub, right? Most important. Lol, preparing for war. Lol, dude, really had those Peter Schiff vibes. You can get Ada? Ooh. That's a good... I think that's an okay position to buy. It's not hurting as bad as other projects. Alright, and again, it has the bullish divergence that we were looking for. Even though it dropped a lot, we still have that bullish divergence. We no longer have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, by the way. I hope it pumps tomorrow back to 45, 46. Oof. Yeah, wishful thinking. I hope so too. I'm not gonna be over pessimist about it. There's a lot of resistance when you get above. If we look here, we have 43,000. Well, first of all, 40,196. So if we reject this zone, that white area that we have here, 43,996, we're looking for a move down to that 40K. Not gonna be pretty. It really starts to put that head and shoulders into perspective, right? Now, holding on and trying to rally from here and have immediate resistance at 43,923. So, which right now we're getting above that 40,100, which is good. We need to reclaim this zone. Again, we have the bullish divergence for that. So, then we get to 45,467 and then 46,801. And then we're back in that zone, right? But it's gonna take some strength, brother. Chat what chat? Which chat? Where chat? Vegas trip? Where? I'm not sure. I'm in the chat. I'm not sure what you want me to look at. Use the chat. That's so. Right. The chat overlay. Oh, thanks, man. There we go. Sorry about that. Again, Bitcoin trying to reclaim, have the bullish divergence. So we need to go for 40,000. I was just calling out the areas that we're looking for, right? So 40,996 and then 40,997. Getting above that 40,996 and closing there again is what we need to do. So we can be looking for 43,923 and then 45,467. Otherwise, it's not going down. Or you could go 20 to 1 on KDA. I removed it. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I think y'all lagging a little bit behind. It's gone. The chat, it's gone. Stronger here, blurring your vision of the screen. Yeah, it's a lot of fun being here, guys. It's a lot of fun being here for reals. I enjoy it. It's such a great day, man. Even though crypto's dropping, it's such a great day. A lot of people coming in being like, yo, what's happening with crypto, man? Where are we gonna go? What are we gonna do? Where are we gonna be? Oh, man. Vegas trip's confirmed. All right. Look at this. Vegas trip confirmed. Hotel room. Looking good, man. That's a nice looking hotel room. Where's the Bellagio? Ooh, yeah, Bellagio Fountains. Oh, that's gonna be pimping, dude. That's gonna be a good room. I call dibs on a bed. From now, I'm dibbing the bed. Let it be known here on live stream that I'm divs for bed. Yeah, casting puts me a bit behind. Ooh. Get a bullish cross on the MACD? Yeah, and you get a bullish cross happening here on the MACD and the RSI. James says, I had Ethereum orders for a few weeks. Oh, that's pretty good, dude. Congrats. Dude, we're going to be doing good in Vegas, man. That's going to be fun. It's going to be dope. Really looking forward to the Vegas trip. I'm still figuring out how I'm going to fly in with equipment. I gotta weight my bags because the laptop and the gear I have to haul is gonna put some pricier tags. So I'm trying to see if I can fit everything in a smaller bag and at least travel a slightly bit lighter. And not have to worry about. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I might have to take a lesser quality camera than this on the trip. I might have to take the small Logitech camera, and the mic's not gonna be an issue. I have a small. I have one that's like this size that I'm gonna take with me, and that's a mic. That's that, and then I also have to take an extra screen, which kind of sucks. That's just adds weight, but I need that extra screen to stream. Or at least I think I could do without the screen. Yeah, I think I could do without the screen. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. I might be able to do it with just the laptop screen. Not gonna be the best stream, but it'll be a stream. You're gonna party! Yeah, we're gonna have a party, man. Any equipment you can bring with yourself? I'm not sure, man. We need to discuss, like, see what you have. I'm not sure. I think I can take the mic. I can take the laptop. I can take an extra monitor. That's a good setup for me. Dr. Destroyer, what's up, dude? Concern from the global markets as a whole in the short term. Yeah. Dude, let's look at the dollar index. Dollar index. Trying to go up a bit. Okay. Again, stagnating. sideways, down sloping a little bit in the last couple days weekly. Again, bearish divergence. Putting that pressure. Trying to see what else we could do here, man. Dow Jones. Oh my goodness, Dow Jones is pumping in the week. On the daily, it also took a hurting. Yeah, I'm a bit worried about the effects that we're going to see on the economy from the new cases that are starting to happen surrounding this situation that we have going on worldwide. There's a spike on cases that is certainly going to put a lot of people in the freak out, and certainly going to affect the markets. So yeah, I think there could be a potential short-term downturn. I mean, it feels for some reason like we're back on March 2020, right? Where it's just the beginning again. We're starting to see a huge spike in cases. It's not doing the best, but again, it certainly is going to put pressure on the economy, right? And I think that is going to have an adverse effect on the markets on the short term, maybe. So we'll see. We invite her. What? Yeah, it's actually open to, I guess, the top. So I think for Warsa's, we can only fit up to 6 people. So prepare for war, and then me, and then I guess 4 more guys. Andrew's going, so that's leaves 3 more room for 3 people. I think this is me said he's gonna join, so maybe 2 people. I'm not sure, guys. Let us know. Go on the Discord. Let us know so we can know how to prepare. Right? We really want to have a great time there, so we also need to know how many people we're going to be counting with. S&P 500 dropped 2%. Oh my goodness. Everything is dropping. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe short term we're looking at some downturn. Oh yeah, I seen that, man. They are going to require you to be either to have that to be able to enter anywhere, or you're not gonna be able to go anywhere. It's gonna be bad. When is it? 10th to 13th of March, which reminds me, I need to buy my flights. I need to book my flights now. I was looking at them yesterday and tried getting. Nav, what's up, dude? Times like this, glad you took profit the last few months. That's awesome. Congrats, Nav. I haven't seen you in the longest time, but thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Navanithan Sivabalavik. Naraj? I'm not sure. They have a long name, Nav. You need to go with a shorter name. Like Nav. Yeah, thank you for being here, man. Thank you for joining us. Guys, dude, we've been live for about an hour and 6 minutes. And we're starting off with the song that we started the stream with. I love this song. It's banging. That was good. Yeah, I was butchering it extremely bad, man. Yeah. Guys, I know the market's dropping. Be not panicked by it. Let's see what's in store for us. Again, we've talked about where the market could go, up and down, right? So you're prepared. You know where the market could potentially go. So, am I a car guy at all? Yeah, I like cars. I'm not like big into cars, but I like cars. I'm gonna be signing off, Nav. You can tell me what you need and I'll read it back. But you know, thank you very much for joining me here, guys. Again, I enjoy being here. You know where the market's gonna go. You're prepared. Now, remember, this is So Crypto. I'm your host, Mars. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome stream. All the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Join us on the Discord. Again, guys, those things are going to pop up on your screen right now. Like, bell, sub, right? Yeah. All good. We'll continue next time. All right. Thank you very much for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'm not sure what car you're going to ask me about, but guys, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.